Alright, so this is an update to Gold Elliott Wave analysis. Right, in the rare event that you have followed me on TikTok, right, you see that I posted this the comic strip on the 23rd of March. Right, so what happens then is that Go actually breach through these a few targets over here. Right, so this is the first one, second one, and third one. Right, and this one, if you have seen my earlier analysis, you have seen this further target 386. Right, so in this little comic, I talk about this idea post on TradingView on 17 March with four different targets, right, and then it has breached three of them and heading towards the fourth. So this is the one, two, three, and this is actually the fourth. Right, so over here then there's this guy that tried that says this, mentioned this idea on the 17th, right, and another guy which me apparently is this yeah, they say that it's time to look for reversal. So I'm actually looking at this 17 March idea on Go. Right, so if you scroll around to the near the end, right, then you see that I have a few targets over here, right? One, two, three. Right, I didn't go to the further one because I didn't imagine that Go will fall so fast. Okay, right. So then now let's talk about this update. Right, so over here, you will see that there is a slight difference in this the degree of the wave, and also particularly this wave itself. So previously I put this as A B C D E, right? Right. So over here I just merged this into A B C instead, right? So this move down is actually B and a C, right? So over here then you see that this move is a wave one, right? So then this is a wave two, and then this is actually a wave three. Okay, so this entire move down, right, since 17 March until 23rd March, this is actually one single wave three, right? And from this bottom here until this peak on the 25th of March, right, until this 4,606. So this one becomes ABC, right? So this is slightly a wave four, right? And over here, I just wonder whether this is actually a wave one down, right? So the thing why I'm not so sure is because I think this could be a double combination, right? So it could be a ABCX and then ABC or something, right? If not, then or this one could be a B C. So this one becomes A B and then a C, right? So there's this kind of possibility that can happen, right? But in terms of the cleanliness of the wave, right? So then I would say that I would say that this is a wave one, right? And this could be a wave two, right? And then we have a wave three, maybe a four and a five, right? So then this one becomes the final wave of this wave three down. So this is the one, two, three, four, five, right? So maybe over here I need to change this degree a bit, right? So let me see. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so then this whole thing is, so then this becomes a wave three. Okay, so I think that it may not reach too far, right? For this, the reason is because this move is very strong, right? So in terms of whether this could be let me see, 1:1. That means wave one equals to wave five. Sorry, wave one equals to wave five should be using this over here, right? So I believe it will be a truncation, right? Yeah. So over here, then maybe this could be the maybe it could really fall here. Okay. Then this one, wave three hits here, then go to wave four, right, and five. So this is a possible move, right? Possible move down. So then this becomes a you know, A, B, and maybe a final C. So this C then becomes a A, B, C itself. So it becomes a complex instead of a clean 5 wave down, right? So we shall see, right? So let's not bother ourselves too much with you know uh, the wave itself, and just look at the trading part of this, which I think over here, if I put in a short position, right, then I want to be a bit more conservative here, right? I don't want to risk so much, okay? And I will have this final target here, okay? Right, which is the 2.618. Another way we can try to project this is to use this as a wave one. Right, and see whether this entire wave itself could match somewhere. So let me just change this color. Right, so over here you see that there is this convergence here, 2.414 and this 2.618. Okay, so I would say that my preference then after seeing this is to change my target to here. Okay, change it to here. Right, yeah, so move this up here. Okay, this would be nice, right, to reach this wave 4 here, right? But I think let's be a bit more conservative over here. Okay, so over here then I will add in this line. Okay, so this is the target for this idea. Okay, target for this idea. Or maybe I change it to a different color. Okay, so just for this trading purpose, right? We have this we have this, right? So then risk reward is 8:1, right? So our target is 9343, right? And our stop loss is actually at 4564. Okay, so that's it for this idea, and good luck. Thank you.